Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's continue our discussion of Class 8 NCERT book Chapter 8 Force and Pressure. This is part 6 of the series. We previously studied different types of forces. We already discussed muscular and frictional force in the last video. In this video, we will cover non-contact forces. First one is magnetic force. This force is exhibited by magnets, under which a magnet can exert force on other magnet without any contact. How so? If you bring like or same poles of two magnets near to each other, they are going to repel each other or push each other away. If you can see like this, we bring, these are two magnets, north pole, and this is the other magnet of the same pole towards each other. Then these two will repel each other. Likewise, we take another two magnets facing each other, and like poles are towards each other, then again they are going to repel each other like this. But however, if we place two opposite poles of the magnets towards each other, like north and south or south or north, then they are going to attract each other. In this diagram, here we have two magnets with north poles facing each other. Then they will move in opposite directions, pushing each other away, that is repulsion. Or similarly, if you bring south pole of the two magnets together, they are going to repel each other and move in opposite directions. But if you bring opposite or unlike poles of the two magnets near to each other, that is north south, they are going to attract each other and move towards each other. Moving on to electrostatic force. To understand this, we will discuss one example. Like, we have these two straws which are kept on a table near each other. These are unreactive at present, but what we do is we take one straw and rub it on a piece of paper. We rub this end of the straw on a piece of paper. Then what do we have? We have this straw that was untouched, and the other straw is rubbed with this end on the sheet of paper. What will happen? Both these pieces of straws are going to attract each other like this. So here there will be attraction. They are going to attract each other. But if what we do next is we take this piece of straw and also rub this end on a sheet of paper, then what will happen? What is going to happen is, like, we have this piece of straw, we have this was already rubbed on the paper before. In the next step, we rub this end of the straw on the piece of paper as well. So what is now going to happen? These two straws are going to repel each other. They are going to move away from each other, repel. Right? How does this attraction and repulsion happen? The straws is said to have acquired electrostatic charge after it was rubbed with paper. It becomes a charged object. The same rule applies here as well, that like or same charge repel each other, while the unlike or opposite charges attract each other. How so? if we have a positive charge and we have a positive charge again, these are like charges or the same charges, so they are going to repel each other. Or we have a negative charge, again negative charge, they are also going to repel each other. But if we have a positive charge and a negative charge, that is opposite charges or unlike charges, then they are going to attract each other. Yes. So this is how electrostatic force functions. For this, no contact between bodies is needed. We can take one more example here. You can put small bits of paper on a table. Take an inflated balloon and rub it with your palm. The balloon surface gets charged. Bring it near the bits of paper. The balloon attracts them and bits of paper get stick on it, demonstrating the electrostatic charge. So by definition, force exerted by a charged body on another charged or uncharged body is called electrostatic force. Next, we have gravitational force. It is characterized by as an attractive force. Earth possesses gravitational force, thus it attracts everything towards it. It acts on all the objects and it acts on all of us all the time. As a matter of fact, every object in the entire universe, be it big or small, exerts a force on every other object. So we will stop our discussion up till here in this part. For next part, that is part 7, please click on the link given in the description box below. If you find this video interesting, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.